Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because Jake and I are headed up to the Pacific Northwest tomorrow morning at the bright and early 4 a.m. We are going from here to Northern California, Oregon, and all the way up to Washington and then back down to Utah. And we couldn't be more excited. But something even probably just as cool. I got some really awesome products that were gifted to me by an awesome company called Outdoor Products. Outdoor Products is an outdoor company that sells really good quality items like backpacks, bladders, sell luggage, everyday backpacks, just awesome outdoor gear and everyday gear. And they very generously sent me some really awesome items and I wanted to show them to you. It's extremely affordable, which is awesome because I'm a college student always looking for a way to still get out there but not break the bank when it comes to good quality products for gear. So I just wanted to show you guys what we got. I haven't seen it yet. I sent them a list of what I would like, and so it's a complete surprise what is in this giant box. So Jake already peeked, so I haven't seen anything yet. Okay. Ooh, yeah, baby. Okay, so we've got some cardboard. Okay, what is this? It's like early Christmas. It's Christmas in August. Can't complain about that. Oh, dope. This is basically a toiletry bag. It's water resistant, which is awesome. It is called the Tag Along, and everything that I got here I will link down below. So it just opens up at the top, and yeah, it's got every little compartment you could possibly need for your toiletry items, which is really awesome. So I've got a few that can already go in there. Next we have the Walking pack, which is an outdoor fanny pack, and it comes with a water bottle. I'm going to cut this off real quick. So it just has the band that goes around your waist. You can tighten it and let it out. There is a front pocket, which is a pretty good size actually. I could fit my phone in there. I have a pretty big phone. And then this pocket that also has two little pockets inside, which is really awesome. Perfect storage for something so small. Next we have a day pack. Oh, and it comes with a bladder. I didn't realize, or a reservoir. I didn't know that. So here's this backpack. I wanted to add more color to my outfits that I wear because I wear mainly like blacks and blues, so I thought this orange would be really nice. It has a, I can't remember what it's called. Oh, it has a reinforced back so it doesn't cripple on you if you don't have a lot of items in it, which was an issue with my previous backpack. It looks like it has an opening right here, a small zipper, and then a larger pocket in the back with the reservoir. This is really awesome. And then there's water bottle holders on both sides. Adjustable straps. I'm down for this. This is awesome, and it's really sturdy and really nice. I really like this. This is so cool. Oh yeah, this is what everything that I'm packing is going into. This is their Mountain Duffle in large. So, I didn't realize this, but it folds up very nicely. Good for compact condo living because we live in a condo. Oh no, it's a storage for it. And you can use the bag too. What? So it folds up and fits in here, and then there's two pockets here, and then this zipper at the back. What is this? What? Why is that? Oh, it's two separate pockets in here. I'm over the moon. This is amazing. And then it folds out real big like this. and then it folds out real big, right? This. Look at this, guys. Look how cool this is. This is huge. This is awesome. Oh yeah, that's not going anywhere. So it's like a normal duffel bag, so you have the big opening in the middle and then 2 pockets on the side. This is incredible. This is so, so cool. And the last item that I am very, 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 probably a little bit more excited about because I have awful knees being a dancer for forever. The next thing that I'm really, really excited about, because I'm weird. I like things that match kind of sometimes. I don't know, but trekking poles. Look at these, and they're adjustable with a latch instead of twisting like my other ones are, and the grips are really nice. Guys, this is so cool. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Well, we leave tomorrow. It's time to pack. I will show you guys the final look of packing whenever that is. I don't know. I'm running around like a crazy person, so I'll show you what I can. I really hope you guys enjoyed this series of videos because it's gonna be really awesome.